values of some particular angles, right? So we'll be doing today our question trigonometric identities. In the previous class, we have done the 3 trigonometric identities. What are those? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to, right? Now, students, this one identity can be this identity can be this identity can be expressed in 5 different forms. One is the standard form. Another is if you have to find sin square theta, it is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, right? Another way is if you have to find sin theta from this identity, you can take its square root. Similarly, if you have to find cos square theta, you will write it as 1 minus sin square theta. And if you have to write cos theta, it has to be square root of. Similarly, all the 3 identities can be expressed in the 5 different forms. Let's say the second one. What is the second identity? Secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, right? Now, secant theta can be expressed as under root 1 plus tan square theta. Is this clear? What will be the value of tan square theta, students? Please tell me. What is the value of tan square theta minus 1? And value of tan theta? Square root of secant square theta minus 1. What can be the fifth way of representing this identity? You take tan square theta on the left side. This becomes secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So this identity can be expressed in the 5 different forms. When you will be doing the questions on the basis of trigonometric identities, you have to apply the identity in any of the form. It is not like that you will be only using this form or this form. It can be expressed in any of the form. Right, bacho? Now we move on to the third identity, which is cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. So here cosecant theta can be expressed as square root of 1 plus cot square theta, right? Then cot square theta can be expressed as cosecant square theta minus 1. And cot theta can be expressed as cosecant square theta minus 1. And last but not the least, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So these are the 5 different forms of this identity, right? Now, if you are aware about all these forms, so when you will be doing the questions, ना, तो जहां पे भी use आएगा बच्चों, you can easily check out कि कहां पे किस form में कौन सी identity use करनी, right? Any doubt, students? Any doubt? चलिए, so now we will be doing some question on the basis of this identities. Do you have a assignment?
No,
All of
no, sir.
लास्ट टाइम बच्चे जो असाइनमेंट थी सेम असाइनमेंट है. लास्ट टाइम आपको असाइनमेंट नहीं मिली थी? No problem. I'll be writing the question also. The question is the expression of sin A in terms of cot A is, तो यहाँ पे आपको choices given है. Now these are the choices, students. You have to check how to represent sin A in terms of cot A. Now on the previous slides we have done the formulas. So you have to check which one will be the correct answer. Now if you look at the first choice, what is the value of 1 plus cot square A under root? We have done in the previous slide.
Cosec theta.
Cosec theta आ गया. Now student, this is cosec theta upon cot theta. If you check out the first cosec theta upon A की फॉर्म में लिख लेते हैं, upon cot A. Now check whether this is equal to sin theta or sin A or not. Cosec is 1 over sin A and cot is this clear? Is it clear, students? So this will be cancelled out. But you are left with 1 by cos A, which is equal to secant A. 1 by cos A equal to secant A. So therefore this is not the correct one. Now come to the second choice. Come to the second choice. Again the value of numerator will be, what is the value of numerator? Cosecant A upon under root cot A. So it can also not be there. Is this clear, students? Come to the third one. So C will be 1 upon, this is cosecant A. What is 1 by cosecant A? Yes or no? 1 by cosecant A is sin A. So therefore choice C will be the correct choice. Understood? Any doubt, students? You just have to make the use of the different forms of identities.
Sir, can you please explain again?
Yeah. See, students, we have to represent sin A in the terms of cot A. Right? Now, if you look at the first identity, on the previous page, we have done the identity 1 plus cot square A under root as cosecant A. Right? This will be cosecant A, this will be cot A. I have solved this cosecant A upon cot A. What is cosecant A? 1 by sin A. What is cot A? These are the basic concepts. Cos A over sin A. So sin cancel. So you are left up with 1 upon cos A, which is secant A. So but we have to represent it in the sin A's form. So that is not correct. So now we move to the second choice. Now when you do the second choice, second choice under root 1 plus cot square A over cot A. What is 1 plus cot square A? Cosecant square A over cot A. right? This is under root. Now in the numerator we will have cosecant A because the square is there, therefore under root will be cancelled out, and the denominator we will have. So this can't be possible. That can't be equal to sin A because there is square root in the denominator. Yes, students. So you have to leave this option. Now comes to the third one. Denominator we have cosecant A. This is the identity under root 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosecant A. So 1 by cosecant A is sin A. So this is the right choice. If you come to the last choice, it is 1 minus cot square A. We don't have any identity with the 1 minus cot square A. It is always 1 plus cot square A. So leave this option. Understood? Right or not? बच्चों 1 minus cot square A आइडेंटिटी ही नहीं होती है. It is 1 plus. So there is no meaning of this. So your right choice will be C option. Now it's clear?
Yes, sir.
चलिए move to the next question. Next question is students. Secant 4A plus secant square A is equal to A choice tan square A minus tan 4A, tan 4A minus tan square A, tan 4A plus tan square A. Then is minus tan square A minus tan. This is the question, students. You have to check whether secant 4A plus secant square A can be expressed in any of the following forms. Right? Now, when you are attempting this question, one important thing is that here everything is in secant form, here everything is in tan form. Now, जो आपको options given है उसमें सिर्फ tan है और जो question है that contains only secant. So now you have to convert in such a way that everything present here is converted into tans form. How will you do it? Anyone who will tell me how to do this? What will be the first step? Yes, students. What will be the first step?
Taking secant square A common.
Very good. Yes, students, please take secant square A common. Right? When you have taken the secant square A common, you are left with now what will be the next step? What will be the next step, students? Yes.
Using identity.
Secant square A plus 1. That will be tan square A. We have to use the same identity in two different forms here. We will convert this is also into tan form, this also into the tan form. What was secant square A? 1 plus tan square A, right? So we also use here, and we also use in the place of secant square A, it should be minus. There, this question should be minus here, not plus. Then only you can do it. This is, yes, it is minus, not plus. Please correct, students. This is minus. Now this will also be minus because it is secant square A minus 1, which is tan square A. Right? Now just multiply tan square A plus
C option.
which option? C option. Clear, students? Any doubt? हाँ जी स्टूडेंट्स क्लियर है कैसे किया we have first we have taken secant square a common then we have converted the bracket part as well as the common part both in the form of tan right using the same identity then just multiply kiya so you got your answer okay is this clear
Yes, sir.
next question students next question is if we have sin 6 theta plus cos 6 theta we have to prove this prove that sin 6 theta plus cos 6 theta is equal to 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta we have to prove that sin 6 theta plus cos 6 theta is equal to 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta how to do this anyone will explain me anyone will explain me हाँ जी बच्चों कौन एक्सप्लेन करेगा प्लीज रेज योर हैंड आई कांट सी एनीवन्स हैंड yes students just have a look how to do it we have to take left hand side which is sin 6 theta plus cos 6 theta now what we have to do can we write this as sin square theta whole cube plus cos square theta whole cube can we write like this yes or no
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
what we'll do after this step we'll apply the identity of a cube plus b cube who will tell me this identity a cube plus b cube yes students हाँ जी बच्चों ए क्यूब प्लस बी क्यूब की आइडेंटिटी 9th क्लास में हमने इतने जोर शोर से किए सारी आइडेंटिटीज 10th की स्टार्टिंग में भी किए हैं
a plus b into a square plus ab plus b square
प्लस ए बी नहीं होता बेटा माइनस ए बी होता ए प्लस बी इंटू ए स्क्वायर माइनस ए बी प्लस बी स्क्वायर राइट दिस इज द आइडेंटिटी अप्लाई दिस आइडेंटिटी apply this identity here what you got what is a here this is your a this is your b so what is the formula a plus b into a square what will be the square of sin square theta minus ab plus b square any doubt students any doubt please tell me
No, sir.
what will be sin square theta plus cos square theta
1
so this term will vanish or can be written as 1 so what we are left with write this as this only just shift this term here can we write like this Is this step clear, students? Is this step clear? Because sine square theta plus cos square theta will become 1. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, what we'll do? Here we have a square plus b square. Now, what is the identity of a plus b whole square?
A square plus B square plus 2AB.
A square plus b square plus. Now, if I take minus 2ab on the left side, so what we are left with? A square plus b square. Is this clear? Is this step clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Now we have sine square theta whole square plus cos square theta whole square. So we can apply this identity. Sine square theta whole square plus cos square theta whole square can be written in this form. What is this form? A plus b whole square minus 2ab. Is this step clear, students?
Yes, sir.
Right? Now replace that. Okay. What was the last term there? Sine square theta. This was the this plus cos square theta minus sine square theta cos square theta. This was the leftover term. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now in place of this, can we write this thing? So what it becomes? Sine square theta plus cos square theta whole square minus 2 sine square theta cos square theta. Right? We have written in place of this term, this thing we have replaced. Right, students? Now this term will remain as it is, minus sine square theta cos square theta. Now sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So square of 1 will be 1. So this is minus 2 minus 1. So this becomes which is equal to, right, students? Have you understood this or not? This question you have to use trigonometric identities, algebraic identities, right? So both things were used to prove this question. Any doubt, students? Please tell me. Anything not clear to anyone? Only thing is you know everything, but where to apply what? That you will understand by practice. जितना ज़्यादा बच्चों आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटीज के क्वेश्चन, more comfortable you will feel. Correct? Right, students?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts? Please tell me, or shall we move to the next one?
No, sir.
चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं बच्चों. Question is, prove that cot square theta into secant theta minus 1 over 1 plus sin theta plus secant square theta into sin theta minus 1 over 1 plus secant theta is equal to 0. We have to prove this thing. Just have a look at the question, students. See, what is the method to solve this question? First of all, convert everything in the form of sine and cos. राइट। जनरली देखिए स्टूडेंट्स क्या होता है, वेन एवर यू आर डूइंग द प्रूविंग क्वेश्चंस वी हैव 3 स्टेप्स अप्रोच। फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या रहता है बच्चों, convert all trigonometric ratios in sine and cos form, right? Is this clear? जो भी आपकी ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटी है, whether it's cot theta, cos secant theta, sin theta, everything should just change them into the form of sine and cos. What is the second step? Second step is, students, apply algebraic identities or take LCM or rationalization. Any of these or all of these can be applied, right? So second step is apply algebraic identities, or take LCM or rationalization. Any of the 3 things or all can be there. Third is apply trigonometric ratios. Apply appropriate trigonometric identity. Trigonometric identity. Right? So these 3 steps you can do more than 80% of the question. But still there are exceptions जहां पे आपको ये step first step में you are not supposed to convert. Right? Generally 80% क्वेश्चन आपके these 3 steps से हो जाते हैं. अगर आप ये steps properly लगाओ तो you can solve them. Right? Now in this question also you will be applying these 3 steps. What are these steps? First convert everything into the form of sine and cos. Then take LCM or apply the identities. Now in this question, what we'll be doing, we'll be applying the trigonometric ratios in the second step also. Right? चलिए देखिए ये steps note कर लिए बच्चों आप लोगों ने?
Yes, sir.
Right. So see how to do this question. You will take left hand side. What was the first step? Convert everything into the form of sine and cos. What will be cos square theta, students?
Cosecant square theta minus 1.
Cosecant नहीं बच्चों, cosecant नहीं, cos square theta over sin square. Convert everything in the form of sine and cos. ठीक है, just identities नहीं लगानी है, you have to convert in sine and cos. What will be cos theta, secant theta, sorry,
1 by cos theta.
and this is in the form of sine theta, so keep it as same. Plus secant square theta will be Is this step clear, students? Any doubt here? Any doubt, please tell me. Everything has been converted in the form of sine and cos. Now, what was the second step? Apply algebraic identity or take LCM or rationalization. So, which concept will apply here? कौन सा चीज यहाँ पे अप्लाई कर रहे हैं बेटा हम? Can we apply LCM? Can we take LCM here and this part?
Yes.
So, cos square theta over sin square theta. When you have taken LCM, this will be cos theta, and this will be 1 minus cos theta, and this will be in the numerator. Is this step clear, students? बच्चे न्यूमरेटर में आपने LCM लिया तो 1 plus sin theta will remain as it is. plus here 1 plus cos square theta. This is sin theta minus 1 over, you have taken LCM, you got cos theta plus 1 over cos theta. Is this step clear? Is this step clear or not?
Yes, sir.
If cos theta 1 cos theta will cancel out. Is it clear? यहां तक कोई डाउट है तो बच्चों बताइए. Anything not clear, please let me know. Yes. Similarly, one of these cos theta will be cancelled here. Right? Is this clear? Why you are not responding, बच्चों? क्या doubt है? Please ask the doubts or tell me it is clear. दो ही options है ना बेटा? Anything not clear, please tell me. I'll once again explain this.
Sir, please explain first step.
First step में बच्चे I have just changed everything into sin and cos form. जो basic आपकी first exercise है, what we have done in that, the definitions. What is cot theta? It is, what is the cos theta? Base upon perpendicular. Or in other term, it can be also written as cos theta upon sin theta. So I have changed cot square theta into cos square theta over sin square theta form. Similarly, secant theta is 1 by cos theta. So I have changed everything into form of sin and cos. Here it is secant theta 1 by cos square theta, secant theta 1 by cos theta. So just I have converted everything into the form of sin and cos. Now if you look at the second step, right, after conversion, everything is, we have only two things, either sin or cos. There is no other trigonometric ratio. Can you find here tan, cot, secant or cosecant?
No, sir.
Only sin and cos are there. After that, we have taken LCM in first bracket and the second brackets. So after taking the LCM, we have solved it. These two things we have done till now. एक cos theta यहाँ पे कट किया बेटा, एक cos theta यहाँ पे कट किया. Right? So after that, चलिए जल्दी से देख लेते हैं बच्चे. This will remain as cos theta और जो नीचे sin square theta है, we will apply here trigonometric identity. That is sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. And what was here? 1 minus cos theta over 1 plus sin theta. 1 minus cos theta over 1 plus sin theta. Plus, I think 1 by cos theta. Sin theta minus 1 over. Right, students? So we are left with this thing. Now what we have to do? We have to apply the here identity. That is a square minus b square. In place of 1 minus cos square theta, we can apply a minus b, a plus b. Why we are applying? So that 1 minus cos theta can be cancelled out. So this is 1 minus cos theta over 1 plus sin theta. This will be cancelled out. Plus this thing will remain as it is. Sin theta minus 1 over. Right, students? So now you have to again take the LCM. When you will take the LCM, what the LCM will be? This thing is common. This also and this also. These are different things. So what will be the LCM? Cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus sin theta. This term will be multiplied by cos theta. So this becomes cos square theta. This term will be multiplied by 1 plus sin theta. So what it becomes? Sin square theta minus 1. यहाँ पे a plus b, a minus b we can apply. A minus b, a plus b. So a square minus b square. Now cos square theta plus sin square theta will be cos square theta plus sin square theta is
1.
1 minus 1. 1 minus 1.
0.
So what we have to prove? If numerator becomes 0, so everything is 0, which is equal to the right hand side. Clear, students?
Yes.
Yes.
Please note down, students. Right, so we'll finish off here only today. Thank you very much for joining. Thanks a lot, teachers.